In today's video, I'm going to show you how to right-click on Chrome Remote Desktop. If you're using Chrome Remote Desktop to access another computer, you may need to right-click to open context menus, manage files, rename folders, or access additional options. By the end of this video, you'll know several ways to perform a right-click while using Chrome Remote Desktop. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and launch Chrome Remote Desktop. Now, connect to the remote computer you want to control. If you're connecting for the first time, enter the access code provided by the remote computer and click Connect. Wait a few moments for the connection to be established. Once connected, you'll see the remote computer displayed on your screen. Now let's look at how to right-click. If you're using a standard mouse, simply move your cursor to the item you want to select and press the right mouse button. The right-click menu should appear just as it would on a normal computer. If you're using a laptop trackpad, the process may be slightly different depending on your device. Many laptops allow you to right-click by tapping with 2 fingers on the trackpad. You can also press the bottom right corner of the trackpad if your device supports that feature. If the right-click menu doesn't appear, check your trackpad settings to make sure right-click gestures are enabled. Another option is to use the keyboard shortcut Shift F10. This shortcut opens the same context menu that normally appears when you right-click. This can be useful if your mouse or trackpad isn't working correctly. For example, if you want to rename a file, right-click the file and select Rename. If you want to copy, paste, delete, or view properties, you can access those options from the same menu. Using right-click correctly is important because many Windows features and file management tools depend on it. As a quick recap, connect to your remote computer using Chrome Remote Desktop, move your cursor to the item you want to select, and either use your mouse's right button, a 2-finger tap on your trackpad, or the Shift F10 keyboard shortcut. Any of these methods will allow you to open the right-click menu and access additional options on the remote computer. And that's it. Now you know how to right-click on Chrome Remote Desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.